Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me guide you through how you can make a blog on Tumblr. To create a secondary blog on Tumblr, first log in of your existing Tumblr account. Next, locate the account section on the left side of your dashboard. Click on Account, then select Blogs, and hit the New button to start the creation process for a new blog. You'll need to provide a title and the URL for your new blog. Choose its privacy settings, either public or password protected, and complete the CAPTCHA verification. Once you've filled in the details, click the Create Blog button to finalize the process. If you want to find the URL of your new blog, go to your blog settings, typically found on the right side of the dashboard, and look under the Tumblr URL section. And congratulations, you successfully created a new blog on your Tumblr account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.